All right, for the Type as a Design project, just wanted to show you a couple tricks and things you can do. So for some of you that are still exploring to understand Sketchbook program or app a little better, just kind of taking a look. So I kind of got started with it. I chose, you can see like a pale green background, and that is my lowest level right now. I did bring a photo in, but I touched the eye to shut that layer off right now, just so you could see options. So you could leave it white, of course, but I'm just showing you if you wanted to, you could do a color. I can turn the eye off there, and you can see there it is white. I can turn the eye on the photo I brought in. Okay, and I'm going to touch that layer and open it, and you're going to see the opacity bar, which is the slide bar, about 2/3 of the way down, and it's far off to the left. So if I touch and move that to the right, you're going to see the picture becomes more clear and more vibrant. So you just want to be careful that you don't dominate your words in that. So that's why I kind of faded it out. So you can still kind of see it, but it's not going to dominate, okay? So that is something you can do as well, okay? Now remember too, you can switch layers. So if you thought about doing it later, all you do is touch your finger onto that layer and drag it to where you want it. So now you can see that it went under the green layer. So if I turn the green on, the green's going to show up because it's on top, okay? So those are just some things then that you can do. And then of course you have the fonts up top. You touch the T. Notice the text then is where you would start and the keyboard comes in. If you click the AA up there, that's how you can change your font. Okay, I haven't been able to really learn how to change the size other than when you are done with it, typing the word. Okay, so let's go on to the funny layer, for instance. This was pivoted. Remember, two fingers. Oh, that's doing the whole screen. Okay, I got to select it first. So the marquee with the dotted, okay, just went. I'm going to go, if I did the rectangle, actually this time I'm going to have to use a lasso because it's no longer rectangular, okay, and select kind of that space. All right, so then now I should be able to kind of, oh, still being a pain for me. All right, we're going to get rid of that one. Straighten out my screen here. Okay, I'm going to go with the bigger one here since that one hopefully will work better. Dotted rectangle box. Okay, get it around, okay, your word. All right, and that kind of selects it. So with this, you know, if you want to touch it over, it'll move it over. I guess I know what I'm doing. All right, then we got to go to the next one, the transform, sorry. And then that will allow me to angle it, okay, change it, make it larger, smaller. And so those are some different things you can do as well, okay? And don't forget, got the 0, okay, that you could also go to your pen tools on the left, okay? So I could go to a new layer. I'm going to go with kind of more the calligraphy pen, fairly big, and you could choose a color there and even handwrite it. Oh, wrong color because it is too light. So we're going to actually back that up first, got rid of it, and choose something maybe a little darker. Okay, so it'll actually show up. And so you can do it that way too. Oops, stop that. Can't even write. Okay, so you can even create your own handwriting in there. So those are just a few different things you can do. So don't forget, it's your name, okay, and 9 other words to describe you. You can choose a solid color for a background, whatever that be, or you can even bring in a photo. And again, just keep it a low opacity so you don't dominate over the words you're putting in there. Okay, thank you.